let's talk about one of my favorite props that I use in auditions. Shall we? We shall. Cell phone. So I have an extra cell phone because I film all my self-tapes on my other phone. But having just a spare cell phone, you can also buy these on Amazon. You can like get prop cell phones. It's just always good to have one because so many auditions deal with apps and stuff and like using an app. One thing that everyone needs to know, you need to know this in your brain, is that they need to be able to see your face. So when you're on a cell phone, one thing's a no-no is don't look down like this. Right? You can't see my face. You can really see the top of my head or like my forehead, right? You're like this. Which is how we normally use the phone, right? Also, this is not going to be working. Yeah, they told you to take a picture of something. They want to see your face. So what I normally do is like a thumb rule, but I have the thumb of my finger right here lined up with my cheek. And I look kind of at the corner of the phone if I have to. If I have to text, I do like a little bit closer, but still it's still thumb and cheek thing. And I'm like, yeah, crazy. Da 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 da. It's so wild. They can still see my face, but it like isn't looking weird. If I have to take a selfie, same thing. I just kind of have it here, which is where the button of your cell phone is when you're recording. I'm doing like cheek, 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 cheek. And your thumb is still kind of close to where your cheek is. Yeah, that is like your indicator of where it should be. It should not be down here. Like a gremlin, okay? So that's that's my like tip for props used in auditions. Make sure they can see your face. Also, if you're having to do something that involves texting, like this is it. This is where you text, and only use your eyes to look down. Right? So your face is making expressions, but your eyes are down. It's all about your face, because your face is the thing that's gonna make you money, not your forehead. Despite people having big foreheads, you can't make money on that. Is that rude? I don't know. You tell me. Thank you. All the lights are so bright. My self-tape. Turn up the lights in here, baby. It's so bright, I want y'all to see it. No, for real. It's like, I love the lights. I love the lights. Is this a good, oh, this is a good frame. Actually, that's really too close. Also, none of the lights are facing me anymore.